This is Saturday, and the date is the 15th. And I just got a question. Do you think it's possible to ever get tired of this view? This is Scalea again. There is the area around Scalea, but then I'm going to zoom in on the beach there, and then I'm going to raise up another couple enjoying the view. Do you think it's ever possible to get tired of this? Soon that beach there will be full of umbrellas, and people from all over Europe will be vacationing here because it's such an incredibly beautiful ocean, and the cost of living here, as I pointed out in other videos, is really not that expensive at all. So I'm leaning towards Scalea now. I'm panning back through just one more time, but I just don't know if I could ever get tired of seeing this beautiful, beautiful ocean here in southern Italy, in the town of Scalea. And it's just magnificent. So here I am again, kind of like those videos we saw at home, but instead of at home, I'm actually living it. Unbelievable. Love you guys, and I'll be talking to you soon again. Hopefully with not another video of the ocean, but maybe some property that I'm looking at. But hey, it's hard to resist. Love you guys. Bye.